Hope these are all well. I'm just heading down to the Menok Pass on the GS. The baby tractor. The wee tractor. So again, it's another beautiful day. Like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's lovely and cosy warm as well. So I'm away this Friday. I'd wanted an aluminium top box for the back of this, but I'm not going to get it in time before I'm away, so I just ordered a Jivy, whatever you want to call it, top box, just a small one. So that'll get me by for now. I'll then stick it on the CB500F when I come back. Oh, I'm going to stop. No, I'm not. I'll stop there on the way back. Stopped at that little bridge before for some pictures. I just seen a guy cutting his grass there, and I don't want to listen to that. So I've not been down this way in quite a while actually. Maybe even since last year. Well, it's a good day for it, so why not? Damn it, just keep seeing cool roads and there's a gate, so that's crap. Although you could probably just roll off the road there and go up there. So this is the first bike I've ever had that's got a gear display indicator, other than the Sinus Terrain that I learned on my seat, or that I done my CBT on. Try to think if the MT-07s had them. Do you know, I don't actually know. I don't remember spending much time looking at the dash on them. They possibly did have, and I've just never noticed. It's not something I would have ever shopped for. I would have never said, oh, I'm not getting that, it's not got a gear display on it. Because we should really all know what gear we're in, to be fair. It's also got a slipper clutch on it, this, which is something I've done a couple of times on the 125, the MT125. I remember locking up the back wheel before, and I've done it on the wee CB500 as well a couple of times, where you think you're saying first, oh no sorry, you think you're in third and you drop to second, and you're actually in second and you drop to first, and you're going too fast for first, and the back wheel will actually skid a little bit on you. Whereas I'm on this just now, doing 50, I dropped 2 gears. It was alright. The clutch will just spin rather than locking the wheel. I dare say the more you done that, the more you would wear it out. Fuck it, I'm going this way. You know why? Because I can. Oh, puddles and all sorts. Oh shit, I've got denims on. That's a bad move. safety first here. I'm going to stop and look over the edge right now. I'm already up quite a bit here. Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Wait a minute. You can go up even higher. I'm so tempted to go that way, but no, I'm going to go up this way because that looks as if it'll take me higher. Oh wow! Oh my goodness, this just goes on forever. Well, that was lucky. That could have went horribly wrong there. Let's go up here. This is a bit higher again. Alright, this is up in the heather now. I can't believe I'm up here. Oh, I wonder how long that's been like that. More than likely since the time where I nearly went over the handlebars. I dare say I could ride up here actually. But I'd rather stick to trails and dirt roads. Far safer than riding over here and not knowing if there's a big rock or a hole or whatever, you know. Right, smoke break. Hopefully nobody's pinched my bike from the other side of the hill. Just rolling hills forever, it seems. Stunning. Right, off again, here we go. So when I done the bike reveal outside, or the fake bike reveal that was the R1250, I was outside Park's BMW Motorrad in Glasgow. I'd went in for an oil filter. I'd phoned up on the Friday. I got the bike on the Thursday, so I managed to get the bit filmed to the bike, or the big walk around to the bike. I filmed that on the Thursday, then it was horribly wet, so that didn't happen, getting out much on it. I managed to get home before the rain started, right enough. I went out early in the morning. So I went into BMW, I'd phoned them on the Friday to say, have you got an oil filter for this? And he said, no. I said, oh, that's a pity. I'm passing this morning, so I was going to pop in. He says, wait a minute, he says, I've got one in the shown here, but it's for a job. I'll see when the job is. If it's not for another few days, I'll give you that one. I thought, that's brilliant. Very helpful. So long story short, I went car hunting with my dad. He finally gets settled from his insurance company. Made a couple of £100, so he did. Don't know if it was worth the hassle, right enough. So went car shopping with him. That held me up. Never made it to BMW for the oil filter. So I went in on the Saturday. I was out for breakfast with Donna and Jack, and it was down at one of these garden centres, so we went and got some plants. Oh, a bit sketchy there. And then when we come back, I headed down to, or into Glasgow to get the oil filter. So it was open anyway, so I went in and stood about for a bit, and then a guy came up and he said, can I help you? And I said, yeah, I'm just trying to pick up an oil filter. And he said, oh, you're out of luck, the service department shut half an hour ago. So that was annoying. But I'll be back in that way again during the week. I pass there all the time. It looks as if it's got a brand new oil filter on it. The garage said that they'd put one on it. It was an independent garage I actually bought it from. Bizarrely enough, it was from a garage down in Stafford, down there where the PK Biker stays. Since I noticed there's another PK Biker popped up on YouTube, an imposter. So I'd seen a Suzuki SV650X in the white and black colour that I wanted. That's, as soon as I seen that one, I thought that's the one for me. It's nice in the silver and black as well, but I just liked the black and the white, or white and black. I just thought that's really cool. So it was down in Stafford, and just by chance I had a look through his stock, and that's where I seen this. So I still fancy an SV650X, like, but I'll ride this for a bit, see how I got on. Although this is really this is my third ride really, but my first proper ride, and I can't see me not keeping this. It is very much fun. So I'll maybe swap out my 500 for a Suzuki in a while further down the road, but I'm loving this at the minute. I've done the right thing in my opinion. So there we go, I had to stop and change my battery. So I didn't bother going to Mennock Pass. I'll do that another time. But I've got a funny feeling I'll be back there shortly to that place I just was, because that was wow. That was wow. I'm in sort of disbelief that I stumbled across somewhere like that. I've been looking for others for a long time to get them out and some cool little adventure trails and stuff, but that was proper off-roading shit. And it was, I managed to do it unscathed, thankfully. So I'm not sure when my battery died there, but that was frickin' awesome. What a good find that trail was. I'll be back there very, very soon. So peace out folks, take it easy and cheers for watching.